Hey there, Tad Hargrave from marketingforhippies.com. I come to you from a wee little park in Edmonton. I don't even know what this park is called. Here I am. It's in the Old Strathcona. So, one of the things that I've been saying to clients a lot lately is just, what scenes are your clients a part of? Or another one, a way to say it is, what are the scenes you want to be adopted by? What are the communities or crowds, that you want to be adopted by? And it's a very helpful way to look at marketing because word of mouth is how marketing actually works. Yeah, that functionally, that's almost all of it, or at least 50% of your business will come from word of mouth. But word of mouth spreads in communities. It spreads within existing networks. It doesn't just happen randomly. People aren't walking down the street screaming things out or stopping strangers and telling them, of course, no, they're talking to their friends, they're at the bar, they're catching up with people, they're at a meeting of some association, they're at a festival. Festivals are from a word of mouth standpoint, super spreader events because so many conversations happen at the farmer's market, super spreader event. And too soon? Yeah. So, but word of mouth is how it happens. And so word of mouth spreads fastest within scenes, because those people are already in touch with each other. They have Facebook groups, they have Slack channels, they have hashtags they follow. They're talking to each other a lot all the time anyways. And so here's a way to evaluate it. Okay, so step one is it's worth sitting down and making a list of all the scenes that you are already currently a part of, number one. So maybe you think, well, there's the Burning Man scene, there's the, Waldorf parent scene, there's the Weston A. Price scene, there's the local skeptic society scene, there's the CE5 scene, there's the psychedelic scene. I don't know what scenes you're a part of, but you make a list of all the scenes that you are a part of or have been a part of. And you'll get a bit of a list from that. And then you might think, okay, my ideal clients, what scenes might they be a part of? And is there anything that I haven't written down? Scenes that I'm not already a part of. And you make a list of those scenes. Now you got a list. Maybe you got 10 or 20 different, gaggles of people. Once you do that, then this is what I'm calling the scene evaluator. Now there's other criteria. This isn't the only way to do it, but I think this is a helpful, quick guide to sorting out which scenes you might want to start with. Okay, here it is. Scene evaluator. Pretty simple. So the first one is down here. It's a spectrum or a line from you're not into the scene at all. You don't dig it to you're really passionate about it. So if you're not into it, this might be like, a lot of my clients are into the polyamory scene, but just, you have judgments about it, you're not into it, you don't want to go there. Versus you say, oh, they're a part of the local food scene, and you're very passionate about that. Oh, I love local food, I always buy local food, etc. Okay. Then we've got out and in. And out means you're not a part of that scene. You're on the outside of it, yeah? You're not involved, you don't know anyone, you don't even know where to start. Like, I've heard there's a scene like that, but I literally don't know anyone or anywhere they hang out. That would be out. And in is, I've been in this my whole life. I'm very well connected in this scene, very well respected. And then what you do is you take all of those scenes and you just start plotting them where they are. So maybe you say, well, the local food scene, I'm very passionate about it, but the truth is, I don't know, I'm not that involved. I just shop at the farmer's market, so maybe I'm like here, it's up there. But then you might think, the Wim Hof scene, we do the breathing and the cold stuff. I lead the group in town. I started the group in town and I love it, so it might be passionate and you're way up here. And of course, what we're looking for are these scenes. The second best would be these ones, because you're passionate about it, so at least you're willing to work. Least good, or second least good would be you're really in, but you don't care. I mean, sometimes that's a good deal. You're a part of a scene, you're not that passionate, but you could make some money. It's, it pays the bills. It's not your life purpose maybe, but sometimes that's just, hey, I've got connections, I've got something they want. Why not? It's not terrible. And of course, we want to avoid this. You're out of the scene and you don't care about it. That's really bad news. So give it a try. Let me know what you come up with. I'd love to hear what the results are. Again, first make a list of the scenes you're in or have been in. Second, make a list of the scenes that you imagine your clients are in. And if you're not sure, ask them. Just start talking with your clients like, hey, would you be willing to talk for a few minutes about what scenes you're a part of? And then you plot them on this and you see what you come up with. And the most important thing is the passionate axis. Because if you're passionate about it, you can get involved. And if you're not passionate, well, I'd say if you're passionate and out, let me just maybe make some notes here. If you're passionate and out, this is kind of more of a long game. And if you're not passionate but you're in, that's more of a short game. And then if you're passionate and you're in, well, this is the best game. And if you're not passionate and you're not in, this is the worst game. Do not play this game. This game is no bueno. Okay, so there you go. Yeah, so what I mean is, in terms of this short game, if you already have connections and you have something they want, it doesn't matter if you're not that passionate about the scene, you'll probably get a good response. So let's say you're passionate about, you're not that passionate about the Wim Hof stuff, but you're really connected. I mean, you've kind of moved on, but you know there's suddenly a huge group of people that are interested. You can be offering it, and you'll get a response. You know, it's built in. And this is the long game because it takes a while to build a connection, you know, and get known in a scene. So that may take a little while, but you're so passionate about it, it'll be more sustainable over time. There you go. Hopefully that's helpful. Again, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to get more videos, hit the red subscribe button and then the little bell icon, and you'll be notified when my next videos come out. And you can follow me on Instagram at Marketing for Hippies. Thanks so much, everyone.